Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at Bitcoin. You can see slightly negative here on the session here for Thursday. I do think a pullback makes quite a bit of sense. We are overbought. Really would love to see it drift down to 40,000. Whether or not that happens will have to remain to be seen. A breakdown below the bottom of the daily candlestick does open up a challenge of 42,000, I believe. And again, we may just spend the rest of the weekend drifting. However, keep in mind that Friday is the jobs report, and the jobs report could dictate where we go in an indirect way. Remember, Bitcoin loves low interest rates. That means easy money. That means people worry about the central bank printing money. That's part of what we've seen as of late. With the 20-day EMA approaching the $40,000 level, I think that also comes into the picture. 185,000 jobs expected, added last month. If it ends up being like 200, that might spook the market. We may see risk assets sell off. Nonetheless, from a technical analysis standpoint, it does look like we will eventually reach the 47,500 level on the weekly chart. We are stretched at this point. A pullback makes perfect sense. It would take a lot for me to believe that the trend's over. I mean, at the very least, I think we'd have to break down below 35,000. So this remains more or less a buy on the dip situation, and probably in increments because of the volatility that is almost certainly going to be a part of this market. Keep in mind, the weekend might be a little thin, and it's definitely going to become more of an issue. Liquidity is, of course, as we head towards the end of the year, as institutions will probably be out of the picture. There is a lot of hope out there that Bitcoin will be part of an ETF in January. We'll wait and see. That's been pushing the narrative. Could be a sell the news type of situation, an event. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, I'm paying close attention to 40,000. Anything that gets close to it, I think you have to take into serious consideration as a potential value proposition.